There is a quote that is hurt people hurt people. What it means is that people who have experienced trauma often hurt other people. So, yes, it is important to know this and understand it in the sense of when someone hurts you, it's not necessarily anything to do about you and more about their own stuff. But another element to really, really understand is that just because someone else is damaged or traumatized or has had something horrific happen to them, that does not justify them lashing out at you. It is not your responsibility to try and fix, help, or save anybody. Your responsibility is towards yourself, and you should never, ever, ever abandon yourself in order to save somebody else. Because contrary to popular belief, abandoning yourself, sacrificing yourself is not noble. It simply means that you have not been taught to value yourself in the way that you deserve.